Ready? Go ahead.
Hi, I'm unboxing a cute little box. I don't know, it's for me and my mom. So I'm going to pull it out. And
Ooh, it's the Vicks Sweet Dream Cool Mist Humidifier.
yeah, let's take it out.
You think you can do it on your own?
Yeah. See? He's trying to take this out of.
How about you try turning the box over
Okay.
and then lift it off? Oh, there you go. See?
Oh.
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 Can I see that? Let's see.
It says
Sweet Dream
you feel
Cool
hot.
Mist
You have a
Humidifier.
fever, or you might have a cold. That's what it's all for.
Cool. All right. Let's take a look at the box.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, look, it says it has, watch, move, please. It has 3 different scenes that it projects.
And see what? Draft.
Giraffes. So there's a safari theme, there's a sea theme, and a starry night theme. Let's see.
Let me see my cat. He's cute.
She's too
Her
cute.
baby's
All right.
Now let's open it. Right, Mom?
Oh, we don't need scissors. I got it. But, yeah, thank you. We got directions. Can I have that?
What is
That's
that?
a vapor pad.
And a plug.
Mhm.
For it. Oh, I see it. Oh,
Good job.
it's so bad. And it's very heavy, Mama.
Very cute. Okay.
And now more cup.
I think that's it. I think that's everything. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.